Hey guys, Creek Stewart here with Willow Haven Outdoor. Can you start a fire with a condom? Well, I'm going to argue that you can. And so I've put together a hand drill set today for you. Except, you know, sometimes with a hand drill, it's hard to get the speed and downward pressure at the same time. So I'm going to use a handy dandy condom as a thumb loops, which is going to give me downward pressure on my hand drill. So we're going to do an experiment really quick here to see if I can use a condom thumb loop setup to generate a coal for a hand drill. So bear with me. See, I'm pulling down on the condom, which is applying downward pressure on this hand drill system. Getting some smoke. And there it is, people. You can see it smoking on its own there. Get my thumb loop condom off. I'm going to bring this up for you to see. The wind doesn't blow it away. See that nice red cherry? So there you go, guys. Condom thumb loops for a hand drill to generate the downward pressure you need to get a coal.